Hi everyone, it's MJ Vallejo. I wanted to do a quick video on this product that I've been geeking out for so long. I've been wanting this product for about a year. Not really an unboxing, it's gonna be unofficial and whatnot, but it had to come from China. It came from China, DHL. I think a lot of us know that DHL I'm not even gonna talk about the whole shipping thing that I dealt with this. Now, a lot of us editors or digital artists who like to working on our computers, for you Mac users, you probably use like the whole butterfly keyboards on your laptop, or you use a separate Bluetooth keyboard. I don't even know why I can't even think about it. Probably use one of these things. You know, I mean, before Mac or Apple ever existed, a lot of us started out with using PCs, and those PCs used mechanical keyboards. And as humans, I think naturally we like that haptic feedback. So if I open this thing up with the knife, not that it makes a difference if I open it up with any other tool, I'm gonna try my best to be careful as possible. Because this had to ship all the way from China, if there's any kind of like damage done to it, I wanna make sure I could return it or maybe even exchange it without any issues of the seller telling me that I damaged the box or something. The box is kind of crinkled, right? I know a lot of tech reviewers and a lot of unboxers, they like to have that nice packaging. And yeah, I mean, this company, you're not really gonna get it. It's just a standard thing. But let me show you what I'm super excited for. Once again, I'm gonna show you what a Mac keyboard looks like. Kind of low profile, thin, wireless. But this is what I've been waiting for the past year. I had to wait until Cyber Monday because I wanted to get a good deal. It wasn't that crazy. It was only like 20% off. But man, look at that. It is a mechanical keyboard made for Macs. I like to use a MacBook Pro attached to an external monitor. That's why I use a wireless keyboard. I also like the bigger screen. But the problem with Mac keyboards, I'm not sure what they call it. I think they call it like a Magic keyboard. The problem with these is they're super low profile and the keys are really sensitive to the touch. So what that means is if you're a screenwriter or an editor or any kind of digital artist who likes using a lot of the shortcuts, for example, in the Adobe Suite, a lot of times you're gonna find yourself mishitting keys. Sometimes you're gonna press cut and then it's gonna press copy, or you know, you're just gonna be hitting the wrong keys at the wrong time because you're trying to type so fast. But not with this thing. Check it out. This is called the Keychron K2, and it is a mechanical keyboard made for Macs. So you could even hear it. Let me try to get this close to the microphone so you could hear what it actually sounds like. Oh my goodness. Doesn't that just sound good? Like, just imagine writing a script, a treatment, or a proposal with this. You just look, compared to the Mac keyboard that comes from Apple. Now, doesn't work for me, not at all. It's like if you tickle a key even just a little bit, it presses down. And then so if you're typing fast, you could literally like press all these keys at once just by sliding your finger right across. The profile is super flat. Not this one, not the Keychron K2. I'm not sponsored by them or anything. I don't have any kind of brand or product sponsorships. I just think something like this is super beneficial to a lot of us digital artists that like using shortcuts when they're working. Look, it's not flat, but it kind of goes down at a slope here. So then a little bit more ergonomic, and then you have these little kickstands right here on the back. And then of course, you have that nice mechanical switches for each individual key. Now, me personally, I don't like that super gamer type keyboards, so I didn't go with the, I'm not sure, I don't know if it's like the red switches or the blue switches, but one of those switches are super aggressive. I did a little bit of research online, and it said that the brown switches were kind of like a nice in between, not too muddy, but it still has that nice little clicky sound, and you don't have to use that much strength. But for me personally, I really like having those keystrokes going down really deep, so it's easy to kind of commit to the typing. Oh yeah, one thing I forgot to mention, I think this is a really cool feature. I'm gonna turn off this light real quick. Check this out. Oh, shoot. A backlit keyboard. My Apple keyboard doesn't even do that. And by the way, that is not like an LED flicker. That's what it looks like. But yeah, overall, this is kind of like an unboxing, not really a review. So if you are a Mac user and you're looking for a mechanical keyboard for your desktop setup or even just going mobily, these are battery powered, so they're chargeable by USB-C, then I really think this would be a really good alternative than this low profile, very sensitive Apple keyboard. So mechanical keyboards for the win. Thank you so much for watching that video. If you want to see more, I would appreciate it so much if you could hit that subscribe button and like and comment down below. I'll see you next time.